Dean Sons holds Pakistan's one and only plastic sheeting and tarpaulin factory. This plastic tarpaulins manufacturing unit has latest technology of producing PE tarps of world-class quality. From production of plastic yarn to weaving plastic tarpaulin, laminating plastic tarp to welding and packing, this unit completes all processes at one place. Dean Sons buy plastic granules, produce their own yarn, weave it to plastic canvas, laminate the canvas, print it, weld it and finish it under one roof. Dean Sons select best quality of plastic, which is the base of the product. These packed plastic sheets are then sent to our warehouses for storage or direct to our clients all across the globe.